Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the why do we need signals light? Okay, why do we need signals light? That means what are the uses of signals light and some traffic signals and their instructions. Okay, what is meant by traffic signals or definition of traffic rules, and what are the safety rules or traffic rules. So here some of the traffic rules are given below. So whether if it right or wrong. Okay, and also signal board and place of display and situation of accident and precautions. Okay, road safety week. So all these things we discussed here. Okay, and also what are the different traffic rules and how we can avoid the accidents and the movement of vehicles and the peoples. Okay, so we are going to discuss all these things. Before going to discuss all these things, so just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay, so in last class we discussed about the signals and the instructions. Signals light and the instructions are very important. Sir, red light is on there, all the vehicles are white. So then the teacher give answer to that questions or reply to that questions. So that is the signal light. Generally we find it in the circles where roads meet. Okay, that is the signal light. Generally we find it in the circles, okay, where roads meet. Okay, so next these lights give specific instruction to the okay. Before going to that, there are red, green and yellow lights. So in the signal light, why? So there are red, green and yellow lights in the signal light. Why? So for that, so these lights give specific instruction to the movement of vehicles. These lights give specific instruction to the movement of vehicles. The red light indicates stop. Here the red light indicates stops. The yellow light indicates get ready and green light indicates move. Okay, here these lights give specific instruction to the movement of vehicles. The red light indicates stops. The yellow light indicates get ready. The green light indicates move. Okay, next. So in the meanwhile the red light was on, the vehicle stopped. So moving on the road where the teacher and students had to cross the road. Okay. So here again the student asked question to teacher. Sir, red light is on, vehicles are not moving. Shall we cross the road through the zebra crossing? So then the teacher give answer to that question. Stop. We should not cross the road when the red light is on. Another signal light is there for pedestrian to cross the road. Okay, then which signal light is on? Look there, the green light is on. So now we can cross the road on the zebra crossing. Okay, now we can cross the road on the zebra crossing. They cross the road at zebra crossing when the green light is on. Okay, next again, sir, why do we need signals lights? Yeah, all the students so ask question to the teacher. Okay, sir, why do we need signals light? That means what are the uses of signals light? So why they are signals light are essential to us? So for that question, the teacher give a answer to that question. Traffic lights are there in the circles. Okay, traffic lights are there in circles, and so why they are in circles? To avoid accidents between the vehicles or between the vehicles and pedestrians. Okay, so yeah, the traffic lights are there in the circles to avoid accident between the vehicles are between the vehicles and the pedestrians and for the safety movement of vehicles and people. Okay, traffic lights are there in the circles to avoid the accident between the vehicles or between the vehicles and the pedestrians and for the safety movement of vehicles and people. The children felt happy knowing the traffic rules and went to the school. Okay, next we are going to, so you have read the picture story. Okay, have not? Savita, Fatima, Neeraj and Mary have learned some traffic signals and their instructions from the traffic policeman. You have learned traffic rules. Okay, now answer the following questions. Where should pedestrians cross the road? Pedestrian should cross the road at zebra crossing when the green light is on. So name the colors of light signals: red light, yellow light, green light. So write one use of signal light. So from the signal light, we should avoid the accident between the vehicles and the pedestrians. So okay, do you come across the traffic lights on the way to your school? Yes. So what are the precautions that you should take while crossing the road and why? So we should observe the signals light and cross the road. Some traffic signals and their instructions are given on the next page. Match them by drawing a joining line. Okay. Here first one. So first one, A column and B column, first one. So observe if railway level crossing gate is open and then move. Okay, observe. So if railway level crossing gate is open and then move. Second one. So second one, hospital zone, go slow. Hospital zone, go slow. So third one. So hump ahead, drive slowly. Hump ahead, drive slowly. So fourth one. So fourth one. So fourth one, left turn. Okay, fourth one, left turn. So next fifth one, don't use the horn. Don't use the horn. Okay. Sorry, this one, parking place. So this one, go slowly. I will once again repeat it. So first one, observe if railway level crossing the gate is open and then move. So this indicates this hospital zone, go slow. Third one, hump ahead and hump ahead, drive slowly. So next this one, left turn. Okay, so this one, don't use horn. So this P indicates parking place. Okay, and this indicates go slowly. In next class we discuss more things. Thank you.